Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the farm roads in Jamaica. Now the government is spending billions of dollars to fix the local and community roads and some main roads. You have the CapEx program where they're spending billions to fix 6 roads, main roads in Kingston and Portmore. You have the Spark program where they're spending billions to fix, I think it's 13 billion to fix local roads. And then they announced at the beginning of this year that they're going to be spending 20 billion to fix local and community roads. So they also plan to spend 1 billion on fixing farm roads. Now, we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the farm roads. Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, Honorable Floyd Green, has assured farmers in eastern Portland that efforts will be made to rehabilitate more farm roads in the area in the upcoming 2024-25 financial year. The minister made a commitment following a tour of several farms in the parish on January 3rd, where he assessed the impact of recent heavy rainfall on mostly banana, plantain and coffee farmers in the Rio Grande Valley. We visited some farm roads and some are in really difficult condition, really bad condition, and they would have gotten worse with the rain, Mr. Green said. He pointed out that the ministry's farm road program has been impactful and some of the roads in the area had already benefited from the initiative, such as the Bellevue Farm Road. This area is very well known for banana, very well known for coffee, and again, this road was in an atrocious condition. And as such, we work with the members of parliament, we work with the RADA to choose the roads that we know will have the most impact, Mr. Green explained. Based on our budget, we have to do them in phases. So I say to the residents in this area, this is just phase 1. We're here to look at how we can craft phase 2 for the next financial year, he added. The government originally allocated 600 million towards the rehabilitation of farm roads for the 2023-24 fiscal year, which was used to repair 30 farm roads across the country. An additional 200 million was allocated to the program, and the ministry is now in the procurement process for another 17 roads to be rehabilitated. We will continue to ask the Minister of Finance to give us some additional support so we can pass that 1 billion mark and so we can help more communities like this fulfill their true potential, Minister Green said. Alright guys, that is the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.